if you've always struggled to do a wing eyeliner or any kind of eyeliner, then this might be the video for you. Hey everyone, it's Melissa. As I said in my intro, I cannot do a wing liner. I even have trouble just with regular liner. I think I just can't draw a straight line. I can't wing it up. It's thick at the end instead of coming to a point. It's wobbly. It goes up this way too much or goes down this way too much or goes into a comma. I just have a hard time doing it. And I've tried doing it with tape. I've tried doing it with a pencil eyeliner. I've tried doing it with liquid eyeliner, and so I kind of gave up. But I just, like with Christmas coming up, I wanted to do like a wing liner and like a dark lipstick, you know, to kind of elevate my look a little bit, make it look a little more glamorous. So I looked around for some devices, and I came up with two so far, but I'm going to show the first one today. It is by Guide Beauty, and it comes in this box here, this pretty box, and then it's nestled in this kind of a velvet thing like that, and it's a wand. It looks a lot like a Harry Potter wand. When you open it up, it has a tip on it that's flexible. It can bend either way, which is going to be important. So this was created, from what I understand, by kind of hearing secondhand, by a makeup artist that developed Parkinson's disease. And so to steady her hand, she created this wand. So let me tell you about the features that makes it easier and makes your hand more steady. So I told you it had the flexible tip. Use that with the cream eyeliner that, well, I bought this one first and then got a drugstore eyeliner. Don't do that. Just go ahead and buy the set, buy the cream eyeliner and buy the whole set, and instead of separately or trying a different cream eyeliner, because this one just works perfectly. So you're going to wipe it this way and get it coated. You're going to wipe it this way and get it coated. So you see this little notch right here. So you put your finger on that notch and that steadies your finger. Then you put it on your cheek, anchor it there, and that steadies your hand. And you glide it along your line, your lash line, after you've loaded it up. And then what I do to do a wing liner is I tilt it and kind of aim it up toward the outer part of my brow that way, and then make a little line like that, and it just comes out nicely every time. And I do it on the other side too. Anchor it on this cheek and load it up between times to get it coated. You can even tight line on it with it because it just fits underneath there perfectly. So I was able to achieve a look that I liked, and I was really tickled with this. And her story just really touched me a lot. You know, it just shows determination. She did not let something like Parkinson's disease stop her from, you know, doing what her career was. She did a workaround, and I admire that a lot. So I think I have that story right. Like I said, I heard about it from several different people, several different videos that I watched about her. So, but anyway, yes, this is a good wand, and I'm going to demonstrate how to use it now. My other instrument that I have bought so far is a stamp, and in a future video I will try it and see how it compares to this one. But this is the best wing I've been able to ever get. I've tried all different ways, and this is the best. This works for me the best. And the more you use it, now I can just do it first time. I can go back over it again and make it thicker too if I want to, without, you know, I know how to place it and where to place it. You just learn how to do it, and this really does keep your hands steady. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate it. Okay, so here's the device, and it's flexible, as you can see. I've probably already shown you this in the intro, but I'll show it again. Okay, and then here's the liner, and it says to, here's the liner, it says to load it up like this, and turn it over and like this on both sides. So it's flexible, so you can do that. So let me see if I can show, if it'll focus. Okay. This side, and it says to just lightly glide over, lightly glide over, and then turn it over and do it on that side, just lightly, okay? Okay, now it's got this notch right here. There's that notch. So I'm going to put it on my cheek. It says to put it on your cheek and go back and forth like that. Just let it glide. Use your cheek as an anchor. So I'm going to actually try to do a wing first. So I'm going to tilt it up that way, kind of line it up with my bottom. I want to tilt it toward my outer brow, the end of my eyebrow. Yeah, I put my eyebrows on. Okay. So let's see if it'll make a wing. It did. Let me do the other eye. Put just a little bit more. And then I'm going to put my finger on the notch. Kind of, should have pinned my hair back. Put it on my cheek, but tilt it, lean it a little bit. Line it up, kind of lean it toward, or aim it toward the outer part of my brow. There, that looks nice. Okay, now I'm going to, I probably don't need to, but I'll put just a tad back on. The thing I've noticed about this, I've used it, tried it before, is when you're making your eyeliner, it's just so easy to slip it under there and tight line. This is the easiest way I have found to tight line. Okay, so I'm gonna just put it on my cheek and glide it. You know, let me do this a little closer because I've got my mirror real far away. I could do it better if I could do like that, but then you can't see me, so it goes under real nicely. So let me try to line it. Let me skip. Boy, this is hard to do with a camera trying to. Okay, it made a nice line. I didn't want it real thick, but I had tried it before, and you can go back and thicken it up. It's nice. Let me try to tight line now. So to tight line, I just kind of slip it under there. It just kind of naturally goes under. Okay. The other one. It's just the easiest thing to tight line. That's just a real tiny little wing. It's pretty evenly matched. I could make it a little thicker. I can see where having it on here makes things steadier. I don't know if the cheek matters as much because I have been moving it around my cheek, but it seems doing this has helped with it on the. That's all I'm going to do. I'm not going to make it any thicker. You could make it a lot thicker. Let me put on the rest of my makeup and see what I think, and I'll get back on here. So this is the finished look. I put on a different lipstick, kind of went back, made it a little bit thicker. I like this. I like this instrument a lot. I think it has a place, and some people that struggle with doing an eyeliner or a wing liner, I think it has a place for a lot of us that just can't do it. Either need to have their hands steadied or just can't draw a straight line and just really struggle with a fine line detail on the eye. I just have always struggled with that. So I really like this from Guide Beauty, called the Guide One. So that is my video today. Thank you so much for watching. I've been really busy with doing some DIYs for Christmas and just kind of getting things ready for Christmas and Thanksgiving, and so I'll share some of that. But yeah, I really like this a lot. Be sure and like and subscribe. I always forget to say that. It just matters so much in the YouTube world. It really does matter a whole lot. So thank you if you would do that. I would appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Talk to you in a couple of days, and everybody stay safe and love you all. Bye-bye.